Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best micro ATX cases available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're building a budget gaming rig or a premium workstation, we've got you covered with detailed insights and expert opinions. Check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the JoyJam Micro ATX case. This case is designed for users who want a compact yet versatile solution for their builds. It supports micro ATX and ITX motherboards, making it ideal for small form factor setups. The case allows for up to 3.5-inch HDDs and 2.5 SSDs, ensuring ample storage options for both gamers and professionals. The compatibility with standard ATX power supplies adds flexibility for PSU selection. The design features a sturdy 0.8mm SPCC steel frame with ample ventilation for heat dissipation. While it doesn't come with pre-installed cooling fans, it supports up to 3 120mm fans in the front and one 80mm fan at the rear for adequate airflow. The front panel includes USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports, audio jacks, and a reset button for easy accessibility. On the downside, this case is limited in graphics card length, accommodating up to 250mm GPUs. The maximum CPU cooler height is capped at 135mm, which might restrict high-end cooling solutions. Overall, the JoyJam Micro ATX case is best suited for budget-conscious users building compact systems without extensive hardware demands. Coming in at number 4 is the Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L. The most affordable option on our list. Priced at just $39.99, this case offers great value for users on a budget. The standout feature here is the magnetic dust filters, which not only provide easy maintenance, but also add a unique aesthetic to the design. The transparent acrylic side panel allows you to showcase your build, and the modular I/O panel can be adjusted to suit your setup preferences. In terms of performance, the Q300L supports up to 5 cooling fans and a 240mm liquid cooler, making it capable of handling moderate gaming or productivity workloads. It offers decent hardware compatibility, accommodating GPUs up to 360mm, CPU coolers up to 159mm, and PSUs up to 160mm. The open perforated design ensures optimal airflow, although the case's compact dimensions may limit cable management flexibility. While the build quality is decent for the price, the plastic construction feels less premium compared to higher-end cases. The lack of pre-installed fans means you'll need to purchase additional cooling solutions. Nonetheless, the MasterBox Q300L is an excellent entry-level choice for first-time builders or anyone looking to build a low-cost system with respectable airflow. At number 3 is the Okonos Aqua 3, a stylish and feature-packed case priced at $73. This case boasts a panoramic design with tempered glass panels on the front and side, allowing a stunning view of your components. The diamond-cut angles add a touch of sophistication, making this case a visual centerpiece for any setup. Pre-installed with 3 ARGB fans, 2 at the top and 1 at the rear, the Aqua 3 delivers excellent airflow and customizable lighting effects. The vertical airflow design ensures efficient cooling, supported by the magnetic dust filters at the top and bottom for easy maintenance. It includes a multifunctional zone with USB 3.0 ports, audio jacks, and a high-speed Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port for seamless connectivity. The case supports GPUs up to 320mm and CPU coolers up to 164mm, making it suitable for mid-range to high-end builds. While the Aqua 3 excels in design and cooling performance, its compact interior may pose challenges for cable management, especially for users with multiple components. Additionally, the tempered glass panels, while visually appealing, are prone to fingerprints and may require frequent cleaning. Overall, this case is perfect for gamers and creators looking for a stylish yet functional chassis with excellent cooling and lighting capabilities. At number 2 is the Johnsbo D32 STD Micro ATX case, a highly versatile option that balances performance and aesthetics. With compatibility for micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, this case supports a wide range of hardware configurations. It accommodates GPUs up to 365mm, CPU air coolers up to 163mm, and both ATX and SFX power supplies, making it ideal for both gaming and professional setups. The compact yet sturdy design features a magnetic dust-proof net at the bottom for easy cleaning, while its steel construction ensures durability. The top panel supports a 240mm liquid cooler, or up to two 150mm fans, providing users with excellent cooling options. The front I/O includes USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2 ports, along with audio jacks for modern connectivity needs. Despite its compact size, this case offers ample storage with options for up to 3 SSDs and 1 HDD. On the downside, the Johnsbo D32 lacks pre-installed fans, which might require additional investment for optimal airflow. Additionally, the price is not currently available, making it difficult to determine its value proposition. Still, this case is an excellent choice for users who prioritize hardware compatibility and modularity in a sleek, compact form factor. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to check the product links in the description for more details. See you in the next video.